Bana mwe ninyenda kubatebeza konkanta kabatebize. Let us get an OOTD of the day. Erizoba batabanu banyu basharamu kubereka nko kubakushana ninjira mwabare banu bashanaje. And guess where we are going. Finally, nyowe nyakutina mizi nintina nkamizi abana baturani banjangu niwenda kuza beach nkuguma ninjangu ninza kubatwara yahinduka ninza kubatwara. Ati mbere byaho nijuka nkako bazire bitu babire ni batubiha ngureka ninza kugura uniform tamwe yagaruka ninza kugura uniform tamwe yagaruka bakubiye kinto kindi bakubiye kindi nari charge tari cyo bakubiye ninza kugura kanjira kapira bakubiye ningashininja ninja kugura gari iwe nko mwana gumurinzire oine hopes ziri very high konka bagumane bakudisappointing nicyo kimbere ninkora abana kabaturene bansha bakoza ha beach konka nyongere yinkutina mwamizi ntininza kubatwara yahinduka ninza kubatwara ntabana barugaho banyete mama kubiha mutakafa ya mutoka yanje neyiragura but it is what it is. I be moving here and there can't know wina bana. Anyway, I'm not going to explain myself that much, but yeah. So that is how we have dressed for the beach, you guys. Come with us to go to the beach.
Remember, you subscribe our video and I've said that 1,000 times. Next time you subscribe our video. Bye. See you. What does that show say?
Push it, put it.
Okay, cut.
Ninjira adash mwa muhura ariyo nabashaba ngo please subscribe and share our video. Konka bana ba content creator kandi bambe mwagire mcyo butasharinga nimbareba hazamba hunama ntabana bahati batanje kunjira ritima tibasharinga videos zanje zancenda mu ndebe nkeshayize nko kundi ni nzora mishe ganje abana munji buriya ngabanje abanyankore ju videos zanje ni mu sharinga mubire kandi muzi sharing weza kandi mu liking mutaka viewing of views kandi kinguza kubagambira binji. Anywho tugiye tugenda ha beach abana yibandebireho obudagira graduation ya sister wanje and guess where it is aha muheru gwenzi.
One and he's saying this is the beautiful world in the world. Beautiful world in the world.
You're so happy?
Yes.
So happy. Nane miteji nenyusi yakatera wakare tukirya abana but anyhow twikayo kunuya kuniya muheru gwensi abana bakagena barebe bishani. And this beach was introduced to me by my beautiful sister because that's where her graduation party was. And yeah, it's so beautiful, you guys. By the way, you can't even believe it. Like, it's a very nice place. It's cool. It's not crowded. I do not really like the beaches that are in TV Road because they be so crowded. And I have other reasons. That's why I do not go to the beach anyway. Kande chinareba omuntu oyine kuzaha beach obwire bukirekare or enjoying the time yawe because by the time we got here bana mwe tariho muntu wena. And Nash loves herself a non-crowded place. Nyo mwenu bana mwe musasire kongati nkunda abantu konkimwe nimba kunda nkutwariza hamwe imwe nimba kunda kandi mutakanyiga gunaja mutinku bakunda tinkunda abantu abandi konkimwe muri ba number 1. Hati mbweni twaikayo tariho bantu hariho abantu kabashatu turiho twenka. Basically that space is for only us. Umuntu basa no kujya muna hiring a private beach. Mutakaja munasha innocent yaje yashashura abantu ngo batakiza beach. It's because I woke up very early. Baishahina ina network itanu nandi ha beach ezo mukasheshe. Konkana jamkanchere abana mbahereza bwire bwabo but enjoying it, but believing I'm dance because you know every time you be like, don't touch that, don't step here, do not make yourself dirty. At hand when do whatever you want, just do enjoy. And the other thing I've seen about this beach, it's very shallow, it's very nice. They told us it's shallow. Konkanywe akutina mizi na jantibana mgumaha showers. Do not even think about entering water, but of course it's a beach and you cannot stop kids from, you know, being kids. So baza nabambe twabatu twetegekire nyikiro kandi ekindi omukwetegeka nyikiro mbire ntali sure if we are going on not konka bana banyizishe ngo okwatugira ngo Sunday noza kutwala beach, and please don't change your mind, don't disappoint us because you've been disappointing us for a while. Now Germany pack all the toys that you want in nyikiro atomukashe kutwachera ni wabuna parking like the clothes they are going to use and all that, because I was like, man, abantu baza kukora bakujya mama witu na abiha, I will never tell them something bakanyikiriza mboni baza kumanya ngo nimbi. So I was like, you know what, to clear their minds and kabere kango their mom really actually means what she says. Come, we go to the beach. It's very nice, it's a nice feeling, it's cool, the breeze is very beautiful. Just nuhati imoba kwenda kuomboza ngo eji beach erinkai, it's in Mukono. Muhiro gwense kwe Mukono ati mbere ninyebuza ashini kuba abere nibandagira kuzari eji beach nkagumana imbabuza hasi mukonka abantu miliyoni za Kenya ningashi kuna hariyo muhanda wo kuza Kenya nyoka nimpura navuga nahwayo kashika nindeba kahakoma ninza hite nabura. But this time around kutwazayo when I was driving there, it's like very near, like okay, not very near, but because I knew where I was going, it didn't look like it's very far. Ngoku yabire very far buriya like in the beginning. Nkarizo banavuga kandi nyo ninza hanto murundogo haba hariyo muntu wena hanuya comment section ngambiro tunozo hanto murundogo muhakwata ninye nash nyewe ntwaro ahanto murundogo umurundogume. I'm a very good navigator, nimba nakwasire kale tinkubasa kubura nabareka how the beach looks like. You guys, it's very nice. I've even forgotten the name. Mbajeta Oguzuru. Is it Oguzuru, Ngunguzuru, Oguzuru, whatever, but it's in Mukono, Kweke Mukono, Katosi, no, Vuga. Amato galibambe tuwabaturiga, tuwareba Kenyanja, ati abiyaja, chishana, nabo kujankarugo, mizeka, tuwaenge tukagaruzo mizi, tuwakatayo amizigake, tuwakatabambe kafa, oba chakita nichi, oba kakaru jireyo kare mwagarukai. Anyway, nabajante mumanya, mukateka ho ebinyonyi bitunge chokurya kashini tugira tune chokora. By the way, like all in all, you guys should give your kids time. Trust me, this is the best time to bond with your kids. There are those days that you should be like, you know what, this day is for my children. Like, I do not want anybody around us. It's only me and my kids bonding. Like these days, I love these days so much because ntubaturi itwe twenka abana bangambira what their thoughts are, ndebe bakunda ndebe batakunda mbamanya mbashoma ntabana banje balo bati. You get okay abana banyu because nabanyu mutakatandika kandi mu comment section. So basically give yourselves your children time. Noza kureba motherhood or parenthood becoming very easy for you because abana no bachengechi bakurati nkadasha kata kunda mizi nkanye konka kuyaza ha beach nareba his thoughts of the beach have changed. I mean his thoughts of water have changed, and he tried taking me to bansha bamamije tuzo mizi niwe stop being a coward. Can you imagine abanja stop being a coward? Kuna izante bana mu just give me time to first put it in my mind. You know, I'm a Taurus. I have to first make a plan in my mind and feed my mind and be like, now this is what we are going to do. Everything about a Taurus, making sure no there's that time. Babanze bateke chinto mute gwawe. This is it. That's when they are going to do it. So by this time, I'm trying to feed it in my mind. Nyine kuzomizi, abana banja mutaka ba disappointing. And guess what? Later on, I went into the water. Nazo mizi konkanta kajireyo adashi yabanza yashuka omushenyo mishoga abi yara. Of course I had to calm him down. Now when you guys watch this video, if you've reached here, I want you to tell me among these two boys who is a mommy's boy. among us these two boys, who is a mommy's boy, nyenda mwije hano mungambire abo kuba people tell me, like some people that I know be telling me, and I be like no, so you guys should come here mungambire who is a mommy's boy among us these, hakunda kuba mu bipapa byanyu kuchirana mtayi weye. So yeah, the boys had fun. By the way, we met this little girl in here, and they became friends kind of somehow. And later on, I sat a little bit. I went a little bit further. Nagezaho kushitamamu kunkampurira the waves ziriyo niziza kuniga nahora ndiyo niza kugwa meze ntabana mundeke ntaro lifeguard nyo kambe naruga hanu yabo kwati nyine gashwa romiz. Anyway, the kids had so much fun. You guys should get time and take your children out. Such places, I know abamwe muza kunjira unka inesente tinzine beach entrance ne yazinga. All beaches are not expensive. That is what I know. Noza mwana umpakinjire byo kuyiwe ushireko mbaga na baba batakubyichiriza ushireko mbaga bagambere ngo harimo ngo ezo mwana no birabyo wahura umutware byo kwenda wanda kumutware kitoche chikora. There are no rules. These are your kids, but just give them time and trust me, they will never forget these moments. I know my kids are going to remember a lot about us being parents, basically, about us being there for them as parents. And they know both of us are putting in the work to be the parents that they would. Abi. Anyway, so yeah, we had fun. We played in the sand. We did everything they've always wanted to do, except this. I failed at this because they were telling me ngombe bakore konkabiyande manyo mutata ataka mbagambira guno mundu gwanje go kubanza kuza beach kale to go kubanza, but to go and really enjoy with the kids and enjoy with people at large. It's my very first time, because the last time I went in water, stuff happened and I was like, I will never go in water again. And then the other time I went was with Papa and the kids when they were still very young. And since then, I've never gone back to the beach. And this is like my very first time to go to the beach and enjoy. And I'm really happy with the person I'm becoming, you guys. I am becoming a free bird. I am becoming free. And I love that for myself. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. It is a very good thing. Hatinya wenka janda nalo zinga waiti from 103. Hey, cheche ninyenda kushitero misho gabantu. Paka ninyenda kuchinja mweche shongoro. Ati ninja mwende abambe. We have really had fun, and I'm really so happy for the boys. Like for real, you guys. Have time with your kids.
We keep this love in photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep